Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add add-ons to items while taking an order. From the main screen, select the table you want. This will take you to the menu screen, where you can choose the item you'd like to order. For example, in this video, we've selected cappuccino. After selecting the item, scroll down to the bottom, tap the Add-Ons button. A pop-up window will appear showing the available add-ons for that specific item. Simply select the add-ons you want, and then click Confirm to apply them. Let's take another example. We'll select a Spanish latte and repeat the same add-on process. And that's it. That's how you can easily add add-ons to any item in Spirit VPOS.